recording, we're going to be going over adding instructors in our Action Rabbit Jackrabbit class plugin. So inside our WordPress dashboard, inside the Jackrabbit class tab, we will see an option that says class instructors, and if we're on our main Jackrabbit class page, we have an option that says review instructors. So you click either of those, and we are brought to a page, and this has pulled all your instructors out of your Jackrabbit class data. So currently we can see a list of example instructors that we have now. So the reason that we have this is you don't have to display everybody's names as they are in Jackrabbit class. If we want this instructor, who happens to be named Audra Hogan, if we want her to be named Audie or something like that, you can easily change their name like this, and on the public facing side, everybody would see Audie instead of Audra Hogan. Or perhaps you have somebody's name that's pretty hard to pronounce or understand. You can simply change it here and add a nickname or whatever you might like to do. But you can also add a photo. So if we wanted to add a photo to Audra Hogan, we would click the photo icon here, and these are a few stock images of people in a swimming pool, and I'll just click this first one here, and the instructor information has been saved. For Jay Hughes, if we wanted to say that this guy here is Jay Hughes, we could do that. And let's say JD is referred to as, or Jay Hughes is referred to as JD, we could just say JD. We can just as easily delete these maps. So that would remove the nickname and the photo. You can remove the instructor completely if you want. You can add them back just by resyncing your Jackrabbit information on the main Jackrabbit class page. But let's put his information back. Say JD, and let's say Kelleen Pelfrey is referred to as Kelly P. And we can say that this is her. And so this gives a visual representation and a easily human digestible and understandable way to list out your instructors inside of Action Rabbit and all the tools that Action Rabbit provides. If you happen to have an instructor that isn't currently in an active class, you can simply just add them here. And for this example, we'll use John Smith. And then John Smith has been added in here. And you could do the same thing for John Smith. We'll use the same image here, whatever you like. And that's really all there is to configuring instructors. You should be able to see how this works into the Jackrabbit tools here in just a moment. But that is all for instructors. Next, we're going to be going over how to add your categories and add information to your categories.